Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Microsoft Excel tutorial, we will learn how to use freeze pans, one of the most powerful features in Excel for working with large dataset. By the end of this video, you will know how to freeze the top row, first column, and both rows and columns together. Here I have a student dataset. This dataset contains many columns and multiple rows. In real life situation such as students record, research data, sales report and inventory management datasets can become very large. The problem arises when we scroll down or move horizontally. We often lose sight of important information like column headings or student IDs. Without headers, it becomes difficult to understand what each value represents. This is where freeze pans become extremely useful. It allows us to keep important rows and columns visible while navigating through large datasets. Let's first learn how to freeze the top row. For this purpose, I'll go to the View tab. And under the View tab, I have this freeze pan option. I will click on this drop down button and here I will click on this freeze top row. Now watch what happens when I scroll down. Notice that the header row remains visible at the top of the worksheet. This is very useful because we can always see the column names while analyzing the data. Now let's freeze the first column. For this purpose, I'll go to the View tab again, and under the View tab I have the option of freeze the first column. Now if I scroll horizontally, you can notice that the first column is. This feature is especially helpful when datasets have many columns because it allows us to identify records without losing the reference to the first column. Now let's use the most powerful freeze pan option to freeze both top row and first columns together. For this purpose, I will first go to this B2 cell. Now here you should remember the rule that Excel freezes all rows above the selected cell and all columns to its left. Since we have selected B2, it means that the first row above it and the column to its left will be frozen. Now I will go to the freeze pan option and just click on this freeze pans. Watch carefully as I scroll down, the first row is stagnant. Similarly, if I scroll to the right, you can see that the first column is also frozen. That's how freeze pan works in Microsoft Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you never miss future Excel tips and tutorial. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.